Break the puzzle.
Break the puzzle?
Yeah.
Okay, let's break the puzzle. You did such a great job building this, and we're gonna try it again. Break, break, break.
Break, break, break. What can you do?
What can we do? I don't know. You want to build it again?
Alright, let's go.
Alright, so what's the first step?
We break the puzzle.
We already did that.
We sort the colors.
That's right. You want to sort the colors? This time you wanted to sort the colors. Last time you wanted to sort the outside pieces and the inside pieces.
Alright,
So-
let's go.
So now we're sorting the orange, the blue, and the green. Right? We put all the blues in the middle. We put the oranges at the bottom there. Did we do it?
Yeah, we did. How come we can do it the other way?
Oh. Now what? Let's find the corner pieces. The outside pieces.
I found one there.
Look, yeah, we found one. There's one. Where's another one? Oh, you're right there. No, we got 3 now. Yeah, we got 3.
Oh, where's the other one? How can you find it?
Oh, we're holding it. There it is. Oh, we got 4. We found the 4 corner pieces. Good job.
Alright, what can you do now?
Now we're gonna do the outside pieces.
Pop.
We're gonna do the outside pieces.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
A Bronchiosaurus.
Is that a Bronchiosaurus?
Yeah.
Wow. Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
What color is he?
Blue.
Blue? And what kind of spots does he have?
Pink, black, and
Oh, bless you.
pink, black.
Pink and black. Yeah, and what shape is the spots on his body?
Circles.
Circles and ovals too? Oh, who's the orange guy?
The T-Rex.
T-Rex. Oh, who's that little guy? Who's that little birdie? Pterodactyl?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. They're all connecting. Good. You did a great job building that outside pieces.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What can we do now? We're still working on the outside pieces. What's wrong? Let's be quiet. You're building the puzzle, Sabina. What's this green one? What's that one called?
Triceratops.
Triceratops?
Yeah.
Oh. What does a triceratops have in its head?
3 horns.
3 horns. Triceratops. Try for 3, right? Wow. Wow, look at your T-Rex. He's so tall. Oh, does that piece go there? No? Oh. Maybe we should turn it around?
No. That's not right. And that goes after the other hand. What the? What the heck, man? What the heck, man?
Don't say bad words. Okay, ready? Oh, did your sister come?
Yeah.
Does she want to help?
No.
Does she just want to stand in the middle?
Yeah.
Haha. Alright. Good job. Oh, Bronchiosaurus is almost done. And the Triceratops is almost done. The T-Rex is done. The Pterodactyl is done. What's that purple stuff? Is that a volcano?
Yeah.
Ooh. Wow. That's really cool. Look, we did it!
Yeah.
Good job! Give me 5. Good job.